My name is Jessica Koenig, and I saw LadyBoss videos on Facebook all the time, and I had tried every diet out there, but when I watched her videos, it wasn't just a diet. It was a lifestyle. It was a everyday, you're in it, and even if you fall, you're gonna get back in it because you have all of these women to love on you. So I just took a chance. I was like, it's probably another fad. Definitely not. Life-changing.
That's awesome. So, for you, what was your breakthrough moment?
My breakthrough moment was, when I stopped holding on to all the pain and the anger through the love of the women in the group. Instead of using all the hurt that I've been through and all the things that I've been through to, tear myself down, I used it to fuel the fire to build myself up.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So the group and being around other people was really helpful for you?
Yeah.
So where do you think, you can tell you've come a long way, where do you think you'd be if you hadn't made that step and hadn't joined LadyBoss?
I would not be living anymore, for sure.
Why is that?
I tried to commit suicide a couple times. My mother, who was 44, got diagnosed with breast cancer and then died 5 months later. And we were best friends. And best friends talk all day long, best friends. And she was the most incredible woman. And the effect that it had on my life, just didn't want to be here anymore. I wanted to be with her, as weird as that sounds, but I just didn't want to be here anymore. And it affected my job, college, my relationships, affected all of it. And I was in such a dark place for 2 years. And honestly, LadyBoss brought me out of that hole that I was in.
Wow.
So it's been incredible.
I'm glad you are here.
Me too.
What would you, being who and what you are and where you are now, what would you say to that old you that was like on the brink of giving it all away and didn't know if it was possible?
Sorry.
It's all right.
I would say that it's all a part of his plan. And as much as what you're going through in this moment and the feelings that you have, and as much as you don't want to deal with it anymore, and as cliche as it sounds, it does get better. You will find that hope again. You will find the love that you need, and you'll find yourself again. That's been the best part, is that I lost myself, and now I'm finding her again, and she's amazing. And I found her because of LadyBoss.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Did I see you're in the coaching program too?
No, I'm not. I'm an angel.
You're an angel, okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
So I'm an angel in the group.
That's awesome. So
yeah.
What would you say to, because like I said, there's a lot of ladies out there that maybe they don't believe or they don't, whatever, there's so many reasons,
right.
Excuses. What do you say to someone who hasn't made that step, but really needs it?
I would say they've waited too long to join. So if they had heard about it, or even if they hadn't heard about it, it's just, gosh, how do you even put it? I can't even put it all into words to tell them, but it's just, they need to know that it's a lifestyle and that they will have more support than they've ever had in their entire life, even in your hardest moments, because I had people in my life that would go, well, how long did that last for you? Or, of course you gave up on something else again, or, terrible things like that. But it's just, I can't encompass the life change that LadyBoss will give you. And even if you don't need to lose weight, or, if you need to gain weight or get through a barrier like an eating disorder, or maybe just find lifelong friends that encourage you to be the best you. It's not just about weight loss. It's not just about, working out 24/7 like other fitness groups. It's just about being you and you loving yourself and accomplishing everything that you want to accomplish.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
So here's a really tough question for you.
Oh, they've already been so tough.
What's been the most fun? What have you enjoyed the most about it?
The most fun is growing with all the women. And there's so many, it's local groups. There's some women, but you're growing as a huge community. And with every fall, with every mistake, with every I want to give up, there's thousands of women telling you you're not giving up. They're not like, oh, I understand. They tell you you are not giving up. You're going to keep going, and I'm going to drag you along with me. And that's what people need, you know, not someone that just goes, okay. You need people in your life that are like, no, you're doing what you set out to do.